Damon Sandle here, who just completed the Details R Certified Detailer Licensee training course this weekend. Damon, where are you from?
New Milford, Pennsylvania.
So you're not how many hours away from
Uh,
Pittsburgh is that?
about 5 hours.
5 hours.
Yep.
So you got a little bit of a long ride home tonight.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So what did you think of the business training on Friday?
The business training on Friday was 100% needed. Like everything was in that packet that you gave me, and when I went back to the hotel and read over it, it was very informational. Everything was there. Didn't really have a lot of questions that stumped me when I was back at the hotel, and it just made me think more about the business and how I wanted to run it and lay out my business
Sure.
plan.
Excellent, because that means a lot, especially when you're starting a new business, that
Right.
you get all your ducks in a row.
Oh yeah, surfing the internet just overwhelms you, but having that booklet was just
You mean my 125-page startup manual?
yes.
It's like the Bible, they call it, the Bible of
It's definitely
detailing.
the Bible. I will carry that probably everywhere.
Excellent. Thank you. What did you think of Saturday's training, which was the contact wash, paint correction, polishing, and the ceramic coating application?
Saturday's training was something to really think about because what I was doing previous to that, I'm going to have to switch it up because your methods and the procedures, steps that we went through made it a lot faster and easier to comprehend and
Without
remember.
cutting any corners.
Right. So, like muscle memory and repetition will be a lot easier and faster to take that time and make more money, but do it perfectly and perfect it.
Excellent. What about today was the interior training where you guys cleaned and detailed this very dirty Nissan Rogue, this one right here, and also you coated it a lot of the interior too, and you did the headlight restoration at the end. So what do you think you took away from that?
The interior is something I normally shied away from. That's why I base my business plan off of bikes, motorcycles, motocross equipment, four-wheelers and things. Now with the training, I feel like I'm confident enough to where I can tackle it, a soccer mom's van without any hesitation.
Excellent. Headlight restoration?
Headlight restoration, you can see clear now.
Yeah.
There's no questions about it. If you had to get a new prescription, you might as well check your headlights first.
There you go. Excellent. Very good. Well, you did a great job, man. We really appreciated your attendance and your camaraderie this weekend.
No problem.
Thanks
For
again.
having me.